Ever seen a tree that sparkles back at you? That's the magic of Lippan art. Welcome to Maskman creativity, where tradition meets DIY creativity. Today let me walk you through the process of crafting Radiant Tree of Life, a design that's simple to make but powerful in meaning. Let's get started. But before we start, tada! New wallpaper guys. Does this look good? Drop a rating for this makeover first. Alright, let's get back to the DIY. I started by drawing a simple tree on my MDF board. Now I will make clay to stick on this. This time I wanted to try making clay using wall putty. I saw enough videos of it and bought some wall putty. Using clay tools, made little crater in the powder. And like construction worker, poured water using spoon. Then after mixing it for a while, added some glue to make it strong. It was getting hard to mix with tool, so I thought of using my hand. As watched in many videos, I thought it will be a cakewalk, but I instantly regretted it. This paste was so sticky that I couldn't even move my fingers. Somehow, after taking expert advice from my mother, I managed to wrestle my way through and finally reached this stage. I made soft dough. I thought this was much better than the molded clay I was using. But soon, disappointment showed up. I made clay ropes and started sticking. After a while, clay rope started breaking. I tried molding it again, kept it in an airtight container, but nothing worked. The ropes just kept snapping while I worked, and honestly, it got pretty frustrating. Somehow I completed the roots. At last, I had to return to my trusty molded clay to finish the artwork. I think I definitely need more practice to understand this clay making. After drying, I used gesso to give base coat. For second coat, I use white chalk paint. I use sponge dabber for this process. To protect this art, sealed it with varnish. Varnish gives good shiny effect, but most of the time I prefer matte finishing of chalk paint. Sticking mirror was the last part. I was excited to see how this will look on the tree. Tree of Life had deep meaning. Its root symbolizes family, our values, where we come from. Trunk stands for strength, stability, symbolizing growth, connection, and the way we reach towards new dream, exploring and connecting with the world around us. The leaf symbolizes renewal and the cycle of life, reminding us that growth is continuous and ever changing. Alright, that's enough wisdom for today. Anymore and I'll have to start charging consultancy fee. But honestly, I just love the art. Let people discover their own meaning in it. And if you plan to hang it in your house, be ready with a deep spiritual explanation. It will impress your guest every time. This art turned out to be decent in my opinion. I usually prefer colorful Lippan art. But never mind. I wanted to give it a try and learn something new. Let me know your opinion. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Do whatever makes you happy. Enjoy your day.